My name is Chris M. Nemo, and I'm a memory improvement writer and blogger at the Nemo Bay. I'm passionate about helping you to achieve more with your mind right now, regardless of education, age, or other conditionings. After studying dozens of books, totaling some thousands of pages, dozens of hours of e-learning courses, and of hundreds of hours of practical exercises in this field of memory improvement, I decided to share this knowledge with people interested in learning this skill. On my blog, The Nemo Bay, you can find an organized framework for everything related to memory improvement, which can give you a clear picture of what this wonderful hobby and skill can do for your life. You will find the most complete and orderly collection of materials on this field of memory improvement: books, video courses, memory techniques, memory food and drinks, memory supplements, and many more. I'm Udemy instructor since March 2017, and I teach memory improvement to over 10,000 students from 142 countries. My 10th course, the Complete Memory Improvement course, Your Ultimate Guide to a Stronger Memory, is now the featured course in the Memory and Study Skills category on Udemy, and the Memory Expert Tools, the major system, and the Memory Techniques for Public Speaking course are the highest rated courses in the same category. All my courses are well ranked in the Memory and Study Skills category on Udemy, and I am top-rated instructors in this niche. My goal is to create simple to understand, but at the same time, full of solid content courses to make you understand better what memory improvement is about and see for yourself just how simple and handy this skill is. I'm always improving my courses so that they stay up to date and the best they can be. In this video, I want to introduce my strategy on the subjects of my courses in order to have a clear picture of their structure. I started with a series of 2 courses presenting all the memory techniques. In the first part, I presented the basic techniques, and in the second part, the advanced memory techniques used by the mental athletes in memory competitions. I tried to introduce the students to the atmosphere of the World Memory Championship, presenting them the 10 contest tests, the rules and scoring for each test, and I presented valuable tips and tricks on the methods used by the memory experts. After these courses have been launched, I have noticed a great interest in this area of memory techniques, especially with regard to their practical applications. So I created 2 practical courses, free from the dusty theory you find in most memory improvement books and courses. Memory Techniques for Public Speaking, How to Use Mnemonics to Deliver a Perfect Speech, and the Practical Memory Techniques course, Best Everyday Practice to Improve Your Memory. In these courses, you will find simple but powerful memory techniques that you can apply in your daily life that can ensure your success in different situations that you face every day. Then I started the Memory Expert Tools series, which contains 6 courses so far, presenting the most powerful memory tools used by the memory athletes. The first part of the series is dedicated to the Loci method, also known as the location, the Roman room, or the journey method. The Loci method is considered to be one of the most versatile memory techniques. The power of this technique is so incredible that the best memorizers of the world use this technique invariably whenever they want to make or break an existing memory record. The second course of this series is dedicated to the person-action method of memorization, also known as the Dominic system, created by the 8-time world memory champion Dominic O'Brien. Then the series continues with another powerful method used by the memory athletes for encoding the information into memorable images, known as the Person-Action-Object PAO system. The fourth course of this series presented the Major System, one of the oldest memory techniques, also called the Ultimate Memory System. The next course was about another extremely efficient, but at the same time easy to learn and to apply method, known as the PEG memory system. I have presented in this course all the main PEG-type memory methods, like the alphabet system, the animal PEG word system, the body part system, the number rhyme system, the number shape system, number symbol system, and the major system or the consonant PEG method. The next course of this series is about memorizing playing cards, another important memory skill used by all state magicians, blackjack card counters, and mental athletes. The series will be continued with other courses dedicated to the most powerful mnemonic techniques, presented in detail and with a lot of examples. My biggest course so far, the Complete Memory Improvement course, Your Ultimate Guide to a Stronger Memory, is probably the most complete and up-to-date memory improvement course available anywhere on the market. In this course, you will learn all about memory improvement, from the ancient memory techniques to modern world memory championships, which can definitely help you become more efficient in your studies, your personal life, and in your career. If you want to have a better memory, just enroll in this course. You have a 30-day money-back guarantee if you don't like it. To stay up to date with my future projects, you subscribe to my blog, The Nemo Bay, and I will keep you informed about them.